Hello traders, again welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to tell you a new trading setup and it's very accurate. So here we can see that first I'm going to tell you how to use this trading setup for the buy option. Okay, the buy opportunity, or the first we can discuss the bullish trading setup and after we can move to the bearish one. So here we can see that the market is falling from this point, right? So there is a seller's momentum from this, and also for using this trading setup there is no need for this kind of momentum, or that's not compulsory. Okay, you can use even if there is a one red candle, and also if the market is ranging then also you can use, and trending and everywhere you can use this one. So here we can see that now there are four bearish candles here, right? So we can draw the wick also. Okay, it's only for education purpose, so there is no need for like this, it's enough. Okay, so after that we need a bullish candle. Okay, even if it's a one single red candle then also we can use this one, there is no issues because this one will work. Okay, after that we can see a bullish candle, and that one should be, I mean this bullish candle should be an engulfing. It need to cover here. If just wait, if it don't cover the wick of this candle then there is no issues, but the condition is that the green candle, this first green candle need to cover the whole body of the last bearish candle. Okay, if it's a single bearish candle then also there is no issues, you can use that. Okay, and here we can see that it's an engulfing, right? It's a green candle and it's a bullish engulfing. So after that, if you found again a green candle, okay, that's our condition, we need two green candles, so again a green candle. Okay, and there is no rejection from the bottom, I mean there is no wick. Okay, if it's wick then you need to avoid that. If you found any wicks there then don't use that. Okay, if there is any wick here we can consider this one. Okay, because just wait, I will make it more clear. For the bullish candle, like it's the opening point. Okay, if it's the opening point of a bullish candle and it will start to go up from this position, right? Okay, and it made a high. Okay, it's the high of this candle, and if it don't go downside, okay, then which means this candle didn't make any low here. Okay, there is no movement to the bottom. Okay, there is no movement to the bottom, so it's only made a wick. Okay, there is a wick in the top. Okay, it's not rejection, I agree that, but it didn't made any low here. Okay, if it's in this bullish candle there is any rejection from this side, okay, this side it's only a head, and if it's wick here then it's called tail, right? So if there is no tail here then we can place a call option after this one, and that will be a winning trade. Okay, after this we can place a call option and that will be a winning trade. But if there is any rejection from this side, okay, this side should be clean shaven. Okay, this side should be clean shaven, then only we can use this trading setup. We can place a call option in this candle. I think this need a clarity explanation. So here I'll tell you that it's actually the basic concept how the candles is formed. So here we can see now I'm going to tell you the case of the bullish candle. So after we can move to the bearish one. So here from this position, okay, now I'm going to tell you here, just wait. Okay, it's our bullish engulfing, and after this engulfing we need our confirmation candle, right? And I told you that our confirmation candle should be like, we can see that after this we need a confirmation, and that should be a clean shaver from, I mean, it's the opening point, right? And it can go up. Okay, it can go up and form like this, and there is any rejection from the top, then there is no issues because it's the head of the bullish candle and not the tail, right? Not the tail. So if there is any rejection from this side, then it called tail. Okay, now I am telling the case of the bullish candle. So if any rejection from the downside, then it's a problem and don't take this one. Okay, if there is any rejection in the upper side, then it's called head and we can use that, and after this we can place a call option here. There is no issues. And if this confirmation candle close at any of the visible resistance here, then also we can expect one red candle as an error. Okay, after that it will go up. Okay, in this kind of area that we can expect a retracement candle after hitting this resistance, and it may chance to come down and form a retracement candle. There is a probability sometimes. Okay, that mostly happen in the visible SNL levels. So in my opinion, if it close at any of the visible resistance, then it's better to wait for one red candle as a retracement. So after that you can place a call option here. That should be more good. Otherwise you can apply one step of martingale here. And I told you that the case of the bullish, and now we can discuss the case of the bearish candle. So here we can see it's a bearish engulfing and it fulfill our condition, it completely engulfs, and after that we need a red candle as our confirmation. So it's the opening point of this red candle, it directly went down. Okay, and if you find any rejection from this position, then also there is no issues because it's the head of the red candle, and if it go up, okay, then only it's called tail, then only it will make a tail. Okay, for the sellers, if you found a rejection from the bottom, then there is no issues. Okay, it's only head, and it's only actually its basic concept. I know that most of the people know about it very well, but some of the beginners, they don't know how it's work, and they are treating everything like tail. Okay, that's why I'm making this video, for the better understanding only, for them only. Okay, most of the maybe 80% plus percentage of the people or the traders know these concepts very well. Okay, but if you find any rejection, like it was the opening point here, and if it go up, then only it make tail. Okay, for the sellers, buyers just reversal. Okay, that's it. So I expect this one clear for everyone. And for the sellers trading setup, need a clean shavered candle. I mean, we need a shavered candle like this, and if there is any wick in this side, then don't take that. Okay, if there is any wick here, then you can consider, okay, it may be like this, or I mean our confirmation candle close like this, or otherwise it will be a healthy candle like this with a rejection in this side. Okay, then also you can place call put option here, that will be winning trade. Okay, so I expect this concept clear. Okay, now we can discuss the case of the sellers trading setup. Here we can see that from this position the buyers start to go up, and when the market reach this level, okay, consider this like a level. Okay, we can see seller sign from this position, and it was an engulfing, right? It was an engulfing. It engulfed the, okay, we can see that it's engulfed completely, and we can see that it closed below of this candle's body, right? So after this, we need a tailless red candle here. Okay, I told you that we need a tailless red candle. Okay, that's our condition here. So that should be like, here we can see that after this we need a tailless candle, like it may be like this, a healthy candle like this, and we can expect rejection from this position. There is no issues, okay, because it's only head of this red candle. If it made a wick here, then it's a problem. Okay, it's not our right trading setup. And it may be weak candle also. After this, if you find, just wait, like a small candle like this, okay, like this, then also you can use, but there is no issues. This one also you can use. After this, you can place a call op, sorry, you can place a put option here. Okay, that will be a winning trade. And if it failed, you can apply one step of martingale. Mostly that sometimes the retracement will come because only because of the levels. Okay, there should be some visible levels, okay, in the left side. That's why it's making one error mostly. So if you find a candle like this, there is a rejection here and here there is no rejection, then don't use that. Okay, don't use that. For the sellers, this side should be clean shaven. Okay, there is, here we can see that the seller started here and it don't go up. Okay, it don't go up, it directly went down. Here it was the opening point and it went down, okay, and made a bearish candle like this. Okay, so I expect it's clear. So after this, if you find our confirmation candle, and the second one is our confirmation candle, and this side should be clean shaven. So after that, you can place a put option in the next candle, and that will be a winning trade. So I expect it's clear for everyone. So we can move to the live example, then it will be more clear. Okay, you need to watch the video completely. If you skip, maybe you may chance to miss some important parts. So don't do like that. You need to watch it completely. Okay, I will show you so many examples in the live chart. Then it will be 101% clear. Okay, we can discuss some examples. So here we can see it is a bullish trading opportunity here. So here we can see after this engulfing, it's a bullish engulfing here, and after that we can see our confirmation candle here. Okay, here there is no rejection in this side, it's only made a high. Okay, here we can see some rejection. Here there is no issues because it's a high. Okay, it's a high and it's head. Okay, so there is no tail here. Okay, it's a tailless candle. So after this one we can place a call option here, and that will be a winning trade. Okay, I expect this example is clear for everyone. Okay, if there is any like rejection, okay, it's called tail, it's called tail, and it's only head. So if there is no tail here, then we can place a call option in this candle. So that will be a winning trade here. So now I think I will show you. I told you that if it close as any of the SNR level, then one retracement that we can expect. I will show you that kind of example also, that then you can easily avoid that. You can wait for the retracement. So after retracement you can directly place. Otherwise also there is no issues. We know that binary option you can apply one step of marking, there is no issues. Mostly it will be winning trade. So mostly means extremely, it's one is highly accurate trading setup. There is no need to worry, you can use that. But it's in OTC, it's better to avoid, because we know that so OTC the brokers are fixing the chart, so they will manipulate, they will fix so many gap up down etc. OTC also, this one will work, but in my opinion it's better to avoid. Okay, so we can discuss the next. Okay, we can discuss a second example for the bullish trading setup. Here we can see, it's only a single candle. I told you that if it is a single candle, then also there is no issues, there is no need for any momentum. Okay, here we can see after this engulfing, it's our confirmation candle and it's our right confirmation, right? So here only it's made a high and it was unable to make low. Okay, there is no tail here, right? So after that you can place a call option in this candle and that will be a winning trade. Okay, I expect this one clear, so we can move to the next example where the one mistake, like one retracement is coming. I will show you that kind of example, then you can easily avoid that kind of losses. Okay, now we can move to the sellers trading opportunity. So here we can see that it was a bearish engulfing that, and after that here it's our confirmation candle and there is no rejection in their side, there is no tail here, so it's a shavered, it's a clean shavered in this side. Okay, so after that here we can see some rejection, but it's only head. Okay, because it's a bearish candle. If there is any rejection in the side, then that called tail. Okay, so wait. Okay, so here after this confirmation candle and this one, it will be a winning trade. If you place a put option here, that will be a winning trade. Okay, so here also we can see a candle. Okay, if there is any rejection like this, okay, then it not our right one. But here we can't use this one because it's not our right trading setup. According to our trading setup, this green candle need to cross this one, and after we need a candle like this, then only we can place a call option. Okay, so I expect this one also clear. I told you that sometimes one retracement will come, right? So here I'll show you such examples. So here we can see that it's our right opportunity. Okay, it's a bearish engulfing, and after that here we can see our confirmation candle, there is no rejection, there is no tail here, right? And after this, okay, there is a support area, actually there is a support area here. Okay, the market, we can see some reversal from this position, and because of that here it made a one retracement candle because this red candle crossed this support area, right? Okay, that's why here we can see a retracement green candle. Okay, so if you're seeing these kind of breakout, okay, these kind of breakouts, or if your confirmation candle close at the exact support, okay, exact support, then also it's better to wait for one retracement like this. After that you can place a call option. Okay, we can see so many so many situations like this because of the levels. So if there is any visible levels near of your left side, okay, it's very close, so we can expect this one will chance to work. Okay, so if you seeing these kind of breakouts in the left side, okay, then it's better to wait for one retracement. Otherwise if you place a put option directly here, then it will be lost, right? So after that you can apply one step of martingale in this candle and that will be winning trade. Okay, you can use both methods. So I expect this one clear, so we can move to the next example. Okay, now we can discuss the case of one bullish trading setup. Here we can see it was a bullish engulfing. So after our confirmation candle, Okay, it fulfill our condition. There is no wick here, only this we can see a head. Okay, so after that we can see that it grows and close at a level. We can see so many times, we can see rejection reversal. Okay, many times, which means there's a level here, right? So when this candle close this level, so we can expect retracement at least for 1 minute, or the one candle that we can expect as a retracement. Okay, so here we can see that it's a retracement here, right? It's a retracement candle. Okay, and after that you can see the next candle, it was a bullish candle, and that will be a winning trade. So because of this level, it's better to wait, okay, for this one retracement candle. Okay, otherwise if you don't have patience, okay, then you can place a call option directly in this candle, and that will be a loss, and in the next candle you can place a call option with one step of martingale. Just increase your amount, then that will be a winning trade. Okay, I'll show you one examples like this. Okay, okay, here we can see that there's a buyer's trading opportunity here. Here it was a bullish engulfing. Okay, it was a bullish engulfing, so after that it's our confirmation candle. So in this candle we can place a call option, and that will be a winning trade. Okay, again once more, it's a bullish engulfing and for confirmation. There is no wick here, it's completely clean shaved candle. There is no wick, there is no wicks in the top or bottom. Okay, so after this you can place a call option in the third candle, and that will be a winning trade. So I expect this one clear for everyone, so you can use this. Okay, in the chart you can, it's very common. Okay, but you need to wait for the right opportunity, and then only that this one will work properly. If this candle node engulfing its equal level, and after if you find this one, okay, then it's not our right opportunity, it's completely engulfed, body. Okay, if it's a long wick, then there is no issues, but the body need to completely engulfing. Okay, then only it will work properly. Okay, so here we can see, okay, here we can see it's equal level, right? Here it was a bullish candle and it was a bearish candle, but it closed exactly at the level. Okay, exactly at the level. It's a not an engulfing that can't be treated like an engulfing. So after that this one, okay, maybe when you're looking, this one will look like our confirmation, but actually this one is not our confirmation. Okay, look at where the wick, okay, it's a tail. Okay, it's a tail here, and this side should be completely clean shaven, then only it's going to work. But here we can see there is no rejection in this side. Okay, so it's not our right trading setup. Okay, it's not our right trading setup. So this side should be completely clean. Okay, there is no wicks here. If there is any wicks here, then it's okay, we can place a put option. Okay, but here it's not our opportunity, so it may chance to confuse when you are trading and we need to take the decision very fast. Maybe in the first set you may chance to look like it's our opportunity, and you will immediately place put option and you will lose. Okay, so don't do like that. Must observe that properly, where in which side the wick form, the tail, and if it's a tail or head, that you need to observe that properly, you need to practice. Okay, otherwise it may chance to confuse like this. Okay, so I expect this trading method is clear for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, I will make it more clear. Okay, here we can see, okay, it's a actually this one, but it's completely covered here. Okay, and after that it's a tailless candle here, and it was one candle. Okay, one retracement candle here. Okay, and after that, this one, if you place one step or martingale, this one will be a winning trade. Okay, so I expect like it's enough, and just practice well, and after practice, proper practice is needed. Don't directly jump to real account. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me, and also you need to join the Telegram group. Then some updations will give in the coming days, and some new trading methods also will share with you. So if you are not the member, just join. The link is available on the description. Okay, so we can stop this video. All of you, wish you good profit.